Oh, wait, sorry. Hello everyone. I am from Bitkub Chain. Well, I'm okay. Uh, okay. So sorry again. Hello to Thailand Web T ecosystem. Okay. For me, let me introduce. I'm Samret. I'm CTO of Bitkub. We already have our chain is open more than 3 years. But I know I think everyone don't. If you want to go to Thailand and you want to user in Thailand, you should go to the Bitkub chain. Yeah. And secondary marketplace. We already have gaming and we have infrastructure that you can solve it. Okay. Next. Yeah, next slide. Oh, next. Okay. For the Bitkub chain, our chain is EVM compatible. Yeah, that means it's easy for everyone. Not fork from Ethereum. We have like our own IP to make it, right? And it is because of compliance in Thai regulator. Okay. Then we have BKC, one we call Bitkub Next, and another is like auto wallet. The Bitkub Next is mean if it seems like MetaMask, but the difference is you should KYC it first. Right? If you cannot KYC level 2 or level 0, each KYC level is you can transfer asset the value bigger. Like example, if you KYC like a level 1, you can transfer asset only maybe 100,000, or maybe if you turn KYC to level 2, maybe you can transfer to 2 million, or sorry, in Thai baht, maybe or maybe it's more. It depends on your proof of your address. And I know in the world we have a lot of chain. Yeah. What is different from the Bitkub chain? One is I want you to know. Repeat next question. Okay. About we have specific private RPC. What does it mean? Okay. Normally when you develop the app, the problem that I developed before, when you start develop the app, you use public RPC, and some the app you want to open your archive, or some the app you want to move, and you think, okay, your hardware or your full node is not enough. You can directly talk to. Yeah, this is that we support for you. I think if you make the app before, you will know this is the big cost, because you have two costs. One is server cost in cloud, and another cost is from the RPC. Yeah, this I think it's so different. Test cup, okay. Test cup is like a native core, When you develop something like a DeFi, you want to test, like before I want the big Ethereum testnet or Binance testnet. You should make a lot of address and a lot of email to get that. But for Bitkub, you can email to us 1,000 million testnet token for you to test it. Okay. Sorry. For the testnet, this is the testnet that you can do it. Okay. You can get free. This is a little bit free that if I not forgot, like one. Now, one or 10. Okay. You can scan and you get free token in the testnet, about 10 tokens, RPC, and Block Explorer. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Yeah, this is in the mainnet. The mainnet chain ID for me is 96. 2-digit chain ID, now is sold out. Everyone is reserved already. Yeah, that's why we still have a 2-digit chain ID. Yeah, this is the chain ID that we have. Next, that we call Next SDK. What it come from? Let me explain a little bit. When we open in 3 years before, when we open chain, the one thing that we think if you want mass adoption for player to make in your chain, the problem is how user have native token download your app so easy, right? With the free download in the Apple Store, in the Google Store. But in the D app before, it cannot because after that go to D app, the one thing that how can I get the Ethereum? How can I get the B in B, right? Okay, that's why we develop some gas. And when user execute with the game that we write it will just get paid beside of user. Okay, yeah. And on this time, after we provide all the API to our ecosystem, we get everything we call Next ADK. Yeah, you can scan and you can get the information from here. Don't worry, this is a workshop. We will have the example later. We want to explain what we have. Okay. For the Next ADK, the concept is you focus only your application, your logic, and we focus in the blockchain. Yeah, that means you don't want to worry about reorg block, don't to worry about how user pay the gas. You just commit the transaction, and our chain we will take care of your transaction. Yeah, this is the concept that we doing. Okay, yeah. Bitkub chain now is about 5 billion transaction. I think no one know why we have and see scan what transaction we have here. We have more than 1 or 2 million transaction per day. This is not from bot but come from our ecosystem, right? And this is the total staking. And if you are foreigner, you a nice exchange already. Yeah, you can buy that and do it in the mainnet. Okay. This of transaction that happen. Okay. Next. This is the block explorer from Bitkub. We fork from block scout and transaction per second or 25K per block. Yeah. The question is why we still in layer 1, why we not go to layer 2? Yeah. Because of in Thailand, we want everything in real time to prove. If you in the layer 2, it have idle time to waiting to confirm in layer 1. Yeah, that this ecosystem in Thailand. Yeah, that's why in the Bitkub we try to increase transaction so much. Now in our development lab we increase to 100K per second or 500K per block. Yeah, our chain is 5-second block time. Okay. But you don't sorry, next. Okay. Another mechanism that we have is the problem is if your price of your coin is higher, what happen? You know, user want to pay in the same, like if one transaction is about 1 cent, but if the price of token is higher 10 times, it 10 cents. Okay. For us, we have mechanism in modify something in got revenue better. Okay. If a lot of mechanism to make it balance, yeah, that's why we call it adaptive gap cost mechanism. Yeah, but don't something like this. The problem is some D app it cannot survive when Bulan coming. I go to Bulan before. On that time when Bulan coming, most of the D app is not survive because the Ethereum price is so high and most of them cannot continue. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Please connect with us. You can this official channel. You can follow me. And the next section we will show you the example how you integrate to Bitkub Next ADK and what have. Yeah, you can photo it.
And my name is Bright. So do you guys are developer, right? So if anyone have any experience with Next.js before, the front end, the React side? Oh, okay, you guys. Okay. The SDK that he has mentioned in the previous slide, right? So currently we have support on the TypeScript and specific on the Next.js. Okay, so if you want to try to test on the project already on here, you just have to need to have your Bitkub Next wallet. Then you jump into this page and then create the client ID. You put the redirect URL. Then you create the project ID, and then in the last part you will get the source code, right, to initial SDK on your project. So then, so I have the create the example to use the JavaScript. So this have integrate the SDK to integrate the pumpkin cream to eat the candy. Then developer one that cannot connect to the chain right now. Sorry for inconvenience. So if you see the token has create the transaction, you will see the detail that eat the candy on in the game, and then its transaction will pop up in the Explorer on the real time. Okay.
No, no, no. These are our wallet. Okay. Okay. And in this game, before you go to can log in. Sorry. I will sign out first. Um, okay. When you go to log in, it will pop up our wallet, and for you to uh, sign in, you can use email. Your login, it will connect to your wallet, and you just send the transaction. After that, we will put that on blockchain. Don't want to pay gas fee, we pay for you. Yeah. Okay. For the business model in the mainnet, yeah. After you done the app, you want to talk to me, we will have like a gas free credit for your user. It seems like okay. If we talk, what user that you predict in the first for your app like 500,000 or 10,000? Okay, we will provide your cup for gas only. You know, this is a yeah, this is that I think we different. You know, because if we pay grant for you, you can use grant for do. But you know, if user pay grant when they start paying, how can you get a lot of payer coming, right? But don't worry, this game if you decide let user pay, but when user purchase some item like an in-app purchase, yeah, you got revenue on that. Okay.
So we have the cookbook that is example of the source code. Okay, we already published in the Gitbook, and then you can add more the cookbook. You will get into this link, or maybe after this session you can contact on me. Our Bitcoin wallet to authenticate as OAuth2, and then you can interaction with our KP, our chain, like the example that I have show you on this game. If our booth.
Okay. Thank you. Next is Q&A. Can ask any question? Do you have any question? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.